Alright, good morning. So, first video in a while. Unfortunately, the whole first week so far of December has been horrible for price action. Not really just for price action, but mainly just to do with news. On Monday, we had ISM, which I honestly just would have traded on Monday, but I was super sick, so unfortunately I couldn't hop on the charts. On Tuesday, which was yesterday, Trump spoke, so we had this good move at the start of the day that I could have probably traded off of, but then a massive sell-off. I don't like trading on days where Trump speaks because the price action is usually very unpredictable. Today, yet again, unfortunately, Trump is speaking. We had non-farm employment change at 5:15, and we have ISM PMI at 7. So slightly unfortunate, but it looks like we just hit a 5:30. Oh, this wasn't even 5:30. We kind of started at 5:30 pretty well. Anyways, we had a pre-market manipulation, and it looks like we're about to make our move up. So after this closes, I'll mark this out as a high time frame order block. And I mean, it's really a 15-minute order block as well, but this will probably leave us potential for a lot. Well, it will leave us potential for a massive inverse for value gap entry. And there should be extension and closure opportunity as well. Yeah. Today shouldn't be too bad, actually, I don't think. I just can't trade before 7 because we have that PMI coming out. So I'll have to wait for that. But usually price won't make a move to make an entry until that news comes out. As for Trump speaking, I'm just going to try and not really care about that today. I'll be cautious about it, and I'll probably de-risk because volatility usually increases. Yeah, thankfully, Trump speaks at 11:30, so we got some time to make a trade and hit a little bit of take profit. Just because he is speaking today and the volatility could show up out of nowhere, and try and target some of these like lower highs, I guess. And as soon as we start making a move up, I'm just going to probably put my stop loss to break even just to de-risk for the day. And I'll be trading on NQ because it's leading, so I'll probably only be trading 1 unit. Realistically, I'd want to get... Pardon me. Realistically, I'd want to get traded or entered in on a trade like probably here-ish, targeting this high or this high, preferably this high, and stop loss would probably be, I might just do a fixed 1 to 4. Which is where, also this just depends on where I get entered in as well. It looks something like that. Oop. This is probably the ideal trade for the day. So we'll keep that fixed 1 to 4 in mind. Okay, well, I guess what I should have done, and oh my god, I'm just losing it this morning. Work out previous day lows, Mark out the London high. And the Asian high just sits above. Just. London low's been taken out. The low resistance. Oh, same low resistance. The Asian low has also been definitely taken out, so don't have to worry about that. It would have been nice if we could have taken out this previous day low. I'm going to assume that this is manipulation, but if we continue to push out bearish news, then we can probably assume that we'll push down. My general assumption for the day is that this is a manipulation, we'll be moving to the upside. But that is looking to switch. The only reason why I say that is because we haven't swept any liquidity. So there's not a whole lot of reason in this push down. Then again, we could still just be trying to push for this low and then making it move up. Alright guys, I think I missed my entry this morning. I'll look for other entries later on in the day. Maybe something off of an order block here. See if we can keep moving to the upside and take out some of these higher highs. But I definitely missed my entry for this early morning trade. Low-key unfortunate, but I'll try and keep trading throughout the day. Maybe pull up my laptop at school, see what I can do. But peace for now. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't end up getting entered in off that trade. Today was a pretty slow day, not a lot of price action. We had that big pre-market dip, and then we ended up going up to the high that we made, the London and Asian session high from pre-market, and that's all that we ended up taking out. We took those highs out after a very, very slow push up and consolidated for the rest of the day. So honestly, I'm happy that I didn't trade today. I could have got entered in on that position if I had just set it up a little earlier, but obviously price action wasn't ideal today, so I'm okay having not taken a trade. I'll be back on tomorrow for another trade. Unfortunately, there is more high impact news, but fucking we ball. Hopefully I can get a trade in this week or this month. December's usually pretty bad price action month, but I'll try and de-risk and get some little trades in here and there. Anyways, I will be uploading a video tomorrow. Peace for now.